Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a really quick tutorial with you. This is a crucial step if you're growing onions from seed, so I just wanted to show you to make sure that you're doing it too. So here you can see that I have some onions and they've got quite a few inches of height on them, and so it's really important to give your onions a haircut, which means that all of the energy will go from the greens back into the bulbs. So I've got my handy snippers with me. And so what you want to do is you just want to cut them until they're about an inch or two in height. And so just recklessly give them a snip. And that's it. So you're going to cut them until they've got about an inch or two left. You're going to be left with all these nice greens that you can just clean and you can eat them. So you can put them on top of salads or whatever you want. You can eat them fresh if you like green onion. And that's it. And so now all of the energy will transfer down into the actual bulbs here instead of staying in the greens. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and hope you have a great day.